Yo, what's going on, sneakerheads? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy ASneakerLife, dude. Hey man, let's just get this rolling. We ain't got no intro, we ain't got no outro, nothing like that. Basically, I have not gotten a pair of V2s in like 2 years. It's been a long time, and I feel like a lot of you guys are probably in the same boat. Like, dang, it has really been a minute since I've even peeped like a pair of V2s. And you know what's really crazy to think about is like Kanye's been with Adidas for 5 years and really shook the game up. Like honestly, really shook the game up. I did pick these up from Stadium Goods. You guys can check them out down below. Also, we'll be having a giveaway at the end of this review. But let's get into it, man. Woo. Got me that good packaging. Okay, so Stadium Goods, as you guys can see, size 12. Wow. With the slide out box, it has really been a long time, man. Sheesh. Ooh wee. Okay, so I'm doing this video, literally these come out tomorrow, March 14th. Today's the 13th, and wow. Let's just go over it a little bit. I don't even know what to say. I feel like a newbie in the shoe game. I ain't reviewed anything in a minute. So here they are, right? What I like about these is just that orange hint, like ba-blam. Now, Yeezy, now we already know V2s aren't slowing down anytime soon. They just keep coming, and they are comfortable. This is one of the most comfortable shoes, and you know, whether I stop wearing my Yeezys or not, like, hey man, like all of 2016, 2017, I wore my Zebras. I feel like my last V2 pickup was probably like the Belugas or something like that. But what do you guys think about these, man? Like I said, they are releasing tomorrow, and they do got a little unique splash to them. I love the upper. You know, my favorite part about this is just kind of like that very light green, and then you have that 3M stripe, which I'll give you guys like some B-roll of just how it looks, really lights up, which is nice, very minimalistic, if that makes sense. And what I love is the sole. The sole on this is beautiful. I just honestly think they did a great job with this colorway. I like it, I really do. Oof, man, like I said, it's just been a minute, man. Like, you think about these ran the game, you know what I'm saying? Like, this was really like the pivotal turning point for sneaker YouTube and just sneaker general when these came out. And you know, it is great. It's great that everyone has access to them. Retail is going to be $220. I will say one thing about these, I just can't see like wearing jeans with these. This is more like sweats, in my opinion. Like, what do you guys think? Maybe some sweats or some cargo pants, but I can't see anybody wearing jeans with these. I might have to, like, I can't even just imagine it. You guys can let me know down below in the comments what you think. I do like this colorway. Like I said, it's just been a minute, man, since I even eyed some Yeezys, and when I saw these, I'm like, man, these are actually pretty cold. I just love the orange. You guys know I just got that new orange Stony jacket. Orange is it, you know, and man, I like the color. I love the green on this. I think it's unique. And let's not forget the giveaway. If one of you wants to win a pair of these, all you got to do is like this video, follow me on Instagram, follow Stadium Goods on Instagram, come back to this video, comment done and your shoe size, and I'll go ahead and pick the winner in a few days. But let's get to that on foot. So the real question is, the Desert Sage Yeezy V2, is it a cop or a drop? Let me know down below. This is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it. Hands in the air now.